Para kina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards, hindi na kailangang magkaroon ng part 3 ang blockbuster movie nilang Hello, Love, Goodbye, at ang sequel nitong Hello, Love, Again. Matindi raw talaga ang pressure na nararamdaman ng tambalang Kathden sa Hello, Love, Again mula sa Star Cinema, ABS-CBN Studios at GMA Pictures. Medyo mabilis lahat ng nangyari so it's just sinking in now I think and I'm pretty nervous, ang pahayag ni Catherine sa panayam ng 24 na oras. Say naman ni Alden, isa talaga sa pinanggagalingan ng nararamdaman nilang pressure ay ang tagumpay ng first movie nilang Hello, Love, Goodbye na talaga namang gumawa ng kasaysayan sa Philippine movie industry. Actually in all projects naman, most especially this project since this is very special to both of us, the pressure of kasi may tinitingnan na benchmark from the previous film, eh. Of course there's gonna be comparison in a way and syempre yung pressure of the box office, etc. But it is for the people to decide and it's for them to really, by word of mouth, to tell if the movie is worth watching, especially lika ni Alden. Pero sabi ni Kat, ang maganda raw ngayon ay ang katotohanang mas komportable na siya habang ginagawa ang HLA, lalo pat kasama pa rin niya si Alden. I think it is just very comforting to know that I am not doing this alone because like what I said kanina grabe lang siguro yung sobrang kinakabahan sa lahat ng mangyayari so it is just nice na feeling ko ngayon hindi ko lang siya mag-isa hinaharap kasi kasama ko si Alden, pahayag ng box office queen. At sa tanong nga kung gusto pa nilang magkaroon ng part 3 ang kanilang movie, si Catherine ang unang sumagot, I think this will put an end. Say naman ni Alden, to Joy and Ethan's journey. Pagpahingahin na natin sila kasi parang they have been through a lot but on our point of view maybe it's time to say goodbye to Joy and Ethan but what if, but we can't tell. But for US personally parang okay na, dagdag pa ng Asia's multimedia star. Paniniguro pa ni Catherine sa lahat ng manonood sa HLA, this will answer all their questions. Showing na ang Hello, Love, Again sa November 13 sa lahat ng sinehan nationwide, kasama rin dito sina Jenica Garcia, Joros Gamboa, Valerie Concepcion at marami pang iba, mula sa direksyon ni Cathy Garcia Sampana. Nasa second week pa lang ang Hello, Love, Again ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards, pero patuloy itong gumagawa ng kasaysayan. Ang latest, kumita na ito ng mahigit 1 billion pesos worldwide. Dahil dyan, ang pelikula ang naging kauna-unahang Filipino film na nakaabot ng nasabing box office. Hello, Love, Again, starring kapamilya actress Catherine Bernardo and kapuso actor Alden Richards, has reached another milestone as it becomes the first Filipino movie to gross over 1 billion pesos at the box office worldwide. ABS-CBN Films announced Sunday that the much-anticipated romantic drama film of the year has earned 1.06 billion pesos at the worldwide box office, as of November 23, Saturday. In just 10 days since opening in theaters last November 13, Hello, Love, Again has become the highest-grossing Filipino film of all time. Hello, Love, Again is new all-time box office champ. The box office title was previously held by the 2023 Metro Manila Film Festival entry, Rewind, starring Dingdong Dantes and Marian Rivera, which was the first Filipino film to earn more than 900 million pesos at the worldwide box office. Magugunita na ang Hello, Love, Again, ang bagong may hawak ng titulong highest-grossing Filipino film of all time. Ito ay matapos kumita ng mahigit 930 million pesos worldwide sa loob lamang ng 10 araw mula ito ipalabas sa mga lokal na sinehan. As of November 23, Hello, Love, Again has grossed PHP 1.06 billion, making it the first Filipino movie to surpass 1 billion pesos at the worldwide box office, ayon sa Facebook post ng ABS-CBN News. Ang movie ni Kat at Alden ay showing na sa Hong Kong at Macau habang may ongoing screenings ito sa ilang European countries, kabilang na ang Austria, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Malta, Spain, the Netherlands, at UK. Maraming salamat to all of you who gave your love and support for our film, bungad sa post ng Star Cinema at GMA Pictures. Wika pa, we truly have found our home in you and we celebrate this success with you. Hello, Love, Again is now the highest-grossing Filipino film of all time in just 10 days, dahil sa milestone na yan, nahigitan ng pelikula ang MMFF 2023 film na Rewind, na pinagbibidahan ni Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes na may worldwide gross na 924 million pesos. Matatandaan na ang Hello, Love, Goodbye na sequel ng bagong movie ng Kathden ay kumita ng 880 million pesos in global gross.